Yo, wanna make bank like a boss? Hey, party people, ever dream of ditching your day job and swimming in a pool of cash like Scrooge McDuck? Alright, maybe not that extreme, but wouldn't it be sweet to have some extra dough rolling in? I'm talking about that treat yourself kind of money. Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because I'm about to drop some knowledge on you about ySense, your ticket to a fatter wallet and a happier you. We've all been there, right? Staring at our bank accounts, wondering where our hard-earned cash went. It's like magic, but instead of disappearing rabbits, it's our money vanishing into thin air. But fear not, my frugal friends, because ySense is here to save the day, and your bank account. Now I know what you're thinking. Jimmy, is this another one of those too good to be true schemes? And to that I say, nah fam, this is legit. ySense is the real deal. A platform where you can earn some serious side hustle cash doing simple tasks online. So grab your snacks, put on your comfy pants, and let's get this money, baby. Okay, so what is ySense, you ask? Imagine a website that pays you for your opinion. No, seriously, ySense is like a giant online survey party where companies pay you to share your thoughts on everything from your favorite brand of cereal to your opinion on the latest blockbuster movie. But wait, there's more. ySense isn't just about surveys. Oh no, my friends, this platform is like the Swiss Army knife of online earning. You can earn by completing offers, watching videos, testing out cool new apps, and even just surfing the web. It's like getting paid to do what you already do online, but now with extra cash in your pocket. Think of it like this. You know those times you're mindlessly scrolling through social media, watching cat videos or clicking on random links? Well, with ySense, you can turn those mindless moments into money-making opportunities. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually make it rain on ySense? Well, my cash-hungry compadres, it's all about strategy and knowing your options. First up, we got the surveys. Companies are dying to know what you think, and they're willing to pay for your valuable insights. Spend a few minutes answering questions, and bam, you've earned yourself some sweet, sweet cash. But that's not all, folks. ySense is like a buffet of earning opportunities. Feeling adventurous? Try out some offers like signing up for a free trial or downloading a new app. Feeling lazy? Kick back, relax, and watch some videos. Yep, you heard that right, you can get paid to watch videos. It's like getting paid to binge watch your favorite shows, but without the guilt trip from your significant other. And hey, if you're feeling extra ambitious, dive into the world of tasks. These are small jobs that you can do quickly and easily, like categorizing data or transcribing audio. It's like being a digital detective, solving mysteries and getting paid for it. Section 4. Pro tips for maximum moolah. Now listen up, my little moneymakers, because I'm about to drop some knowledge bombs on you. If you want to maximize your earnings on ySense, you gotta be smart about it. First things first, consistency is key. Make it a habit to check ySense daily for new earning opportunities. Think of it like brushing your teeth, but instead of a minty fresh mouth, you get a fresh stack of cash. Next up, referrals, baby. Spread the ySense love to your friends and family and earn a percentage of their earnings. It's like building your own money-making empire, one referral at a time. Just imagine you could be chilling on a beach somewhere, sipping on a pina colada, while your referrals do all the work. Now that's what I call living the dream. And last but not least, patience, my Padawans. Building up your earnings on ySense takes time and effort. Don't expect to get rich overnight, but with persistence and a little bit of hustle, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Section 5. My Boy Made Bank ySense Success Stories. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jimmy, this all sounds great, but are there any real people out there actually making money with ySense? And to that, I say, heck yeah, there are. In fact, I know a guy, let's call him Steve. Steve was just your average Joe working a 9-to-5 job, struggling to make ends meet, but then he discovered ySense. Steve started small, doing a few surveys here and there, but then he got hooked. He started exploring other earning options like completing offers and referring his friends. And guess what? Steve started making some serious side hustle cash. He was able to pay off some bills, treat himself to a nice dinner, and even start saving up for a down payment on a car. Steve's story is just one of many. There are countless people out there who have used ySense to supplement their income, achieve their financial goals, and live their best lives. And the best part, you can be one of them. Section 6. Time to cash in. Your ySense journey awaits. So there you have it, folks. ySense, your secret weapon to a fatter wallet and a happier you. No more dreaming about that dream vacation or that new gadget you've been eyeing. With ySense, you can turn those dreams into reality. Remember, every penny counts, and with a little bit of effort and a whole lot of hustle, you can achieve your financial goals. One survey, one offer, one task at a time. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to ySense, sign up, and start earning that sweet, sweet cash. Your future self will thank you for it. And hey, once you're rolling in the dough, don't forget about your old pal Jimmy. I accept tips in the form of cash, checks, and large denominations of money. Just kidding. Or am I? Now go out there and make that money. You got this.